My name is Wg Cdr Mansoor Siddiqui. Welcome to my LifePage. I'm going to talk about accounting services in Indian Air Force today. But before that, let me introduce myself. I have served Indian Air Force in accounts branch for almost 18 years. I was commissioned in Indian Air Force in the year 1991. And I got premature retirement in 2008. And since 2008, I have been working independently as a management consultant and a corporate trainer in Delhi NCR and across the country. In accounts branch, you are mainly responsible for handling the all accounting services at the station on airbase. This includes your pay accounting services, which include the calculation of pay and allowances of all personnel, all people working at that base. In addition, you are also responsible as an equipment accountant officer, wherein you are supposed to be maintaining the ledgers for all equipment in stores held in that station and airbase in logistics section as well as in other departments. So that way your role is mainly to maintain the accounting services and provide the pay and allowances to the people working in that base, and also maintaining the ledgers for all equipment accounts in stores. You're also working as an internal auditor into the bases because there are a lot of departments. The bookkeeping is also an important aspect because there you will be as an accountant officer will be responsible for writing your cash book in your own hand every day, what all expenses you make. And there will be a supporting staff, they will be maintaining your vouchers, but you as an accountant officer has to have that knowledge that what is bookkeeping is all about, how to preserve the vouchers, what are the categories of various expenses, what are the code heads, budget heads. These are basic understandings you should have when you join these services. He should be, first of all, smart. He should know how to present himself because he will be always interacting with various officers, the senior officers, junior officers. He will be, every now and then will be presenting himself before the commanding officer of the base. So his communication has to be very, very good. And he should be able to explain the things in a much better and easier way. As an accountant officer, because you yourself try to update yourself, because you know people are looking at you with a advisory role eye, and they expect you to be giving them correct advice. So you always try to read more, try to acquire more and more knowledge. So that way it is very good for you that you always improve your knowledge base and you are known as a knowledgeable person in this station. Since you're dealing with money, you're dealing with numbers, there's no compromises with the accuracy. You cannot say after you have done the work and there's some number error and your accounts are not telling. So there's no excuse. You have to be really accurate. You have to generate and devise systems in your office so that you meet your accounting system on day-to-day basis. And you do not compile or pile up your work just waiting for a last moment. It's very important to finish your work on day-to-day basis. When I was in my office as an accountant officer, the day used to be really hectic because you have to report to work at 7 a.m. in the morning. And before that, as an accountant officer, you have to be also part of the morning briefing. Where all these commanders, the department heads and these commanders meet. You have to first go and attend. There is no scope of any delays. You have to be reporting at 7 sharp a.m. And then you come back to your office. You see your day-to-day work, allocate the tasks to your team because there are various departments handling various tasks. Then you call a small meeting within your own department with the supervisors and managers, and then you allocate the task to them. Then there are a lot of correspondence taking place. And nowadays you have to check mails which is being marked to you specifically. Then you have to check those correspondences, give relevant instructions. Then I have to forward those letters to various tables and departments. I used to collect various documents from various departments. We have to collect reports from various departments, compile those papers and then send it. So this way, then some portion I used to spend with non-public fund. As I told you that there are various non-public funds. I used to visit those ventures, see how they're functioning, visit and see the books of accounts, how they're doing, make observations. Then we used to receive monthly trial balances and balance sheets and profit and loss accounts. We used to weigh them, assess them, submit our remarks. I hope I have given you a balanced overview about the accounting services happening in India course. Thank you.